Whistles commercial free Mo Bounce alongside DJ Dramos. Listen, man, it is a Friday and everybody's all consuming their brains with everything news. I get it. Listen, little PSA, okay? If you're looking at this whole coronavirus thing and completely freaking out, that's okay. You're allowed to. Everybody has different thoughts. If you're looking at this whole coronavirus thing and going, meh, everything's going to be fine, that's okay too. Just be mindful of the person next to you. I think we all need to be reminded that of sometimes, you know, common sense is really what it all comes down to. Wash your hands, and if you thought you washed your hands enough and don't see skin falling off, wash them again.
I'm going on during this time. I feel there's no one to save me.